Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you another bow staff strike combo. Today's combo is going to be starting in a punch or 45 strike position. We're going to do a 4 strike followed by a reverse strike, and then finally I'm going to show you guys how to do a spinning reverse strike. If you haven't seen the 45 strike, 4 strike, or reverse strike before, you can check out links in the description to watch those videos. If you're all good, then let's go. So to do the actual combo, we're going to start by doing our 45 strike or punch towards the right, 45 or over. And then from here, we're going to do our 4 strike. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do another reverse strike. And then from here, we're going to do our spinning reverse strike. So to do that, we're going to start our spin and start our reverse strike. I will show you how to do the feet in one moment. Reverse strike. So that's, we start the spin, as we start our reverse strike, as we complete the spin, our reverse strike completes. Now there is some variations to this, which I'll show you in a moment, so you can add your own style and flair to it. So now I'm going to show you how to do the feet. So to start off, we have that right foot forward. We bring that right foot up and over. And that left foot, we come behind, spin a little bit on that right foot as you do so to make it easier. Then you can shift into your stance, which is now left foot forward, to do that reverse strike. So there's a couple ways with the spinning reverse strike that you can mix it up to add your own flair or style. So as long as your bow staff is faster than you, here's 2 ways that you can do that. So the first way, we start right away, and we bring it up above our head. And then we hold it above our head until we're ready to finish, and we come straight across and down. So it comes a little bit of 45 like a regular reverse strike to do that strike. The second way, we do it, once it comes above our head, we bring it straight down. So now our right hand is right by our right shoulder. Then from here, when we do our strike, the strike comes straight across. So you see that first one, if you remember, we came down from up above and across. The second one comes straight across, right from that shoulder, to do our strike. Thanks for watching this whole video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for other bow staff related videos.